Hey guys, this is Fundo on Wanchopagama. Tonight on Imbewu, having a procedure, the injustice of clever treatment towards them. The tips Lindo and Lindiwe decide it is payback time. They invite Clavia over to the commune under the petience of a threesome, then knock him out with a hard object on the head. And it seems like Clavia is on the trouble. They wants to pay a revenge very humbly. While Shira is scared for her mother life after Mira tell that her mother is next to move on the house, and Nairobi falls down on their house, and it seems like Mira plan is working to kick out them out of the house. That is for tonight. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. Therefore, thanks.